Welcome to Tarragona. I'm going to first walk you through the medieval market. So Tarragona is a medieval city built on top of a Roman city, and the medieval market that you can see here gives you a glimpse as to what the markets might have looked like in the 12th and 13th century. All of the vendors are selling local foods and local wares. A lot of them are wearing medieval clothing. And the medieval market, you can see, is at the base of the Tarragona Cathedral. The cathedral is a Catholic cathedral built in the late 12th century, or in the early 12th century. Now I'm looking down on Miracle Beach, which is the closest beach to Tarragona city center. And here you can see St. George Fort. This particular fort was built of stone and mortar at the beginning of the 18th century as part of a fortification plan for the city. It served to protect the northeast part of the city and also helped as a lookout where you could see over the sea and look for any ships that were coming in. So here you can see the sea again. We're just on the other side of the fort, looking down into the park. Now we're going down the sidewalk or pathway from St. George's Fort to Arrabassada Beach, and here you can see a lovely view of the Balearic Sea. The Balearic Sea is part of the Mediterranean Sea. It is the part that runs the coast of Catalonia all the way over to the Balearic Islands, which includes Majorca, Menorca, and Ibiza. This walk here, viewing the sea, is the walk that I do on a daily basis. This is not too far from my home, and it's just a gorgeous walk to do during the day. And here at this lookout point, you can see where some of the waves crash into the rock, and on a very stormy day when the sea is quite angry, sometimes the waves will crash over onto the sidewalk. Now we're looking down on Arrabassada Beach. This is the beach near my home. It is very busy during the summer, especially in the month of August, and the water can be quite cold in spring, but it's a little bit warmer when we get towards the end of the summer. And of course the beach isn't that busy right now because it's the last day of October. So as we walk down the beach here, you can see 3 restaurants on the beach. These are Pepe's Beach Bar and a lovely view of the sea again. And here's the fitness equipment that was installed about 2 to 3 years ago. It's used on a regular basis, and usually around 6 to 8 p.m. every night there are fitness classes that take place right here, even some dance classes. So we're going to go over to Pepe's, and here is the view from Pepe's Beach Bar. The wonderful thing with Pepe's is that they've recently added many new vegan items to their menu. And that is our tour.